On this video today, I'm going to show you a free traffic source that you can use to make money on Digistore24 as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create a Digistore24 account. Once you create your accounts and login, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, the next step is that you are going to select a category so that you can get products to promote. You can see right here, these are categories of digital products that you can select to promote. If you don't want the digital products, you are going to scroll down so that you can promote physical products. You can see right here, they have physical products that you can promote. You can also promote services. You can promote events and seminars. Whatever product that you want, you can get it to promote on this platform. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting a physical product. So you are going to click right here, physical products. Once you click on physical products, you are going to select supplements. Once you select supplements, you can see right here, these are supplements that you can promote. You can see this one right here, the commission rate is $105.13. So anytime you get a sale, that is the amount that you are going to earn. When you scroll down, you can see another one right here. This one you are going to be earning $79.08 per every sale that you get. You can see right here, this product Still Bite Pro, when you get a sale, you are going to be earning $95.65, as you can see it right here. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this product right here. You can see right here, it has a good popularity, so it means people like this product. You can see it has a 5-star rating. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to get our affiliate link. So just click right here to get your affiliate link. If you are new, you are going to see something like promote now. So once you see something like that, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source whereby you can get people to click on this particular link and then buy the product so that you can be earning $95.65. The traffic source that I'm going to show you in this video is one of the best because it gets a lot of views every month. You can see right here, it gets more than 500,000 visits every month. And the good part is that most of the traffic is coming from tier 1 country. You can see right here, United States is 44.09%. So most of the people who visit the website are from the United States. Most of the people in the United States, they have the purchasing power to buy the product. So when you promote the product on this website, you are going to be getting people to buy it so that you can be making money from home. The name of the website is classifiedads.com. On this website, you can post your ads for free. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade so that your ad can get a lot of traffic. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to use the free version. Once we get a sale, we can then upgrade and then promote our ads so that we can get many people to buy the product for us to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, login, so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in so that I can show you step by step on how to run ads on this platform. So let me just log in here. As you can see on your screen, this is my account. You can see right here, these are my ads. You can see them right here. You can see this ad has got up to 5,671 views. You can see this one got 3,752 views. You can see this ad got 1,452 views. As you can see, this ad, it has expired. So if you want, you can just click right here to renew it. But I don't want to do so because it was underperforming, so I'm not going to renew it. You can see the 2 ads are performing well. When you come right here, you can see this is my verified account. You can see it right here. So you have to also use this platform so that you can get people to click on your link and then purchase the product for you to make money. To run an ad on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post an ad. Once you click on post an ad, you are going to select the category of the product that you are promoting. So just click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select item for sale. Once you click on that, you are going to select the subcategory. So just click on it. In this case, our product is about health, so we are going to select health and beauty. So just select it right here, health and beauty items. Once that is done, you are going to select a location. So you have to select a location in the tier 1 countries. In this case, the website is getting a lot of traffic from the United States. So you have to select a location in the United States so that you can get people to buy it. In this case, I'm going to select California. So just type California right here. So just type it right here. You can see California city. You can see right here California state. You can see a lot of different cities in California. So just select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to select this one right here. Once you select the location, the next step is that you are going to type your ad title right here. When you come back on the product, it's about how to make your teeth white. Let me just click on the sales page for you to see. You can see right here, it's about how to keep your teeth healthy and strong. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use this particular title so that we can get people to buy it. So you can extract your title from this text. In this case, I'm going to type something like dental trick to make your teeth healthy and strong. So something like this. Once you have your title, you can make your title nice than this. Once you have the title, the next step is that you are going to enter the price right here. When you come on the sales page, let me just scroll down for you to see. You can see these are the prices. So just select any of these prices. In this case, I'm going to select $69. So just enter $69. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to write the description of your ad right here. As you can see, this is my description. So you can just write a simple description like this. Once you write the description, the next step is that you are going to type your call to action right here. You can just type a simple call to action like this. Copy and paste this link to get access to the product. Just a simple call to action like this. Once you have your call to action, you are going to come back on Digistore24. Click right here so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to search for this particular website, bit.ly.com. So just search for it and then paste your link right here. Once you paste your link, you are going to click right here, shorten, so that you can shorten the link. Once you have shortened it, you are going to click right here, copy. Once you copy your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, you have to enter your details. You can see your phone number, the city, town, you can enter the zip code, and then the time that you want your ad to expire. If you want your ad to expire in 1 week time, you can do that. 2 weeks, you can do that. 1 month, you can do that. 9 months, 6 months, whatever that you want, you are going to select it right here. In this case, I want my ad to expire in 6 months time, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to enter this particular code. So just enter the code as you have seen it right here. In my case, this is the code. The next step is that you are going to upload images of the product. Once you come back on Digistore24, what you have to do is that you have to put your pointer right here. Right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save images. Once you click on that, you can save the image onto your PC. Once you save the image onto your device, the next step is that you are going to click right here, choose file, so that you can upload your image. Once you select choose file, you are going to select your image. Once you select your image, click on open. As you can see right here, this is the image of the product. If you want, you can add more images, but I'm not going to do that. Once you have your image, the next step is that you are going to click right here, post this ad, so that you can post the ad onto the platform. So just click right here, post this ad. As you can see, please wait. So you are going to wait for it. Once you click on it, you can see right here, these are the details of your ad. You can see the ad description. You can see the day you created the ad. You can see right here, the most important thing is that your link is clickable. So once your potential viewers click on your link, they are going to get access to the product through your affiliate link. Once they buy it, you are going to be making money on Digistore24. You can see this is the price. You can see the city. You can see everything about your ad. So you have to keep on posting different ads so that you can get a lot of people to click on your ad and then buy the product. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.